Dust the dough with semolina and transfer it to your work surface. Then lightly dust the top with flour. First, press the dough from the center outward with your fingertips, pushing the air toward the edges. Then stretch the dough as shown in my video. Sprinkle the dough with grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Then add the ricotta, followed by the Gorgonzola, and finally the mozzarella. Be sure to leave the edges of the dough free of toppings. Bake the pizza for about 1 to 1.5 minutes at approximately 460 degrees Celsius, 860 degrees Fahrenheit. Once baked, remove the pizza from the oven and place it on a cooling rack for a couple of minutes to allow the cheeses to set slightly. After about 2 minutes, transfer the pizza to a plate, slice it, and enjoy.